Now, the second group of letters, they don't connect to what's coming after them. So here's the alif. In the beginning, as you can see, there is no line going to the left. And I'll ask you a question. Try to pause the video and answer. If we actually did connect it to the letter after it, what would be this shape conflated with? What letter looks exactly like this? It's actually the lam. If you have lam in the beginning, it looks like this. So we need to make them different. So the alif doesn't connect, as you can see. There is no line going to the left. So now if it's in the middle, there will be a line going to the right, but not to the left. At the end, there's a line going to the right. So middle and end have the same shape. If you add 3 alif adjacent to each other, they'll just look like this because this alif can't connect to this alif, and this alif can't connect to this alif. So they take the original shape, or this shape. An example, here you have meme, and then alif, and then lam. As you can see, this is lam, and of course this is kaf. The alif did not connect to the lam after it. Okay. Also, dal, zal, ra, and zay don't connect to what's coming after them. So dal in the beginning will have no line going to the left. In the middle, it will have a line going to the right, but not to the left. At the end, it will have a line going to the right. Same with dal, same with ra, and same with zay. And finally, we have the letter waw. It also doesn't connect to the letter coming after it. Okay? So these are 6 letters which don't connect to the letter coming after them. A very common mistake is conflating zal with noon. Okay? But what's the difference? The difference is zal doesn't connect to the letter coming after it. So if you look at this shape, this looks exactly or almost exactly like the noon. How would you know the difference? Say there's a sin after it. In this case, this is dal, not a noon. Why? Because it did not connect. If it had connected, if it went like this, then this would be noon. You understand? So be careful of such an error. And for the hamza, if you have a hamza that takes the shape of alif, then to be written just like the alif, but with a hamza on top or at the bottom. Okay, same if it takes the waw shape. Okay, so these 6 letters do not join to letters coming after them. And finally, note that some letters have different writing styles. So, for example, this is ha in the middle. Another shape for it is this. For example, ba and kha can be written like this, which is like the basic shape. But they can also look like this. We can put a ba on top like this, and then a kha like this. For example, ta after ha, after meme. Again, they can be the basic shape like this, or we can put the ta on top of the ha and the ha on the top of the meme. Obviously, all of these are interchangeable. So ba and ta and tha and noon are interchangeable. So for example, I can put a tha instead of ta. All of this will become clear when we start reading. This may be like the longest video in the series, but it's not that hard. If you do the exercises and pass them, that's all you need to do. For example, the lamb can be put on top of the jim. And same, kha and ha and jim are all interchangeable in terms of this writing style. The meme after the lamb can look like this. So this is a lamb followed by a meme. Now, if you have lamb followed by alif, looks like this. This is the lamb, and then this is the alif. Or like this. This is the lamb, and this is the alif. Almost completely different. So we should pay attention to these. If you have two meme, adjacent memes, you can put one meme on top and one meme at the bottom, like we did the meme here. If you have a tha and then a meme, you can put tha and meme at the bottom. And again, obviously, tha is interchangeable with ta or ba or yeah, okay. If you have a meme followed by a jim or a ha or a kha, you can put the meme on top as such, as we did here. Let's leave this one for now. What you need to do is now solve the exercises in the next video, inshallah.